Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Jammu Railway Division formation. A new Jammu Railway Division will soon be established as Indian Railways brings broad gauge connectivity to Kashmir. The formation aims to enhance regional connectivity, improve infrastructure, and boost the socio-economic development of Jammu and Kashmir. The decision to form the Jammu Railway Division was first announced in 2014, but its implementation was delayed. A committee was formed in 2019 to assess the division's feasibility, and now the plans are finally moving forward. The division will have a separate annual budget, allowing better planning and execution of railway projects. Before moving further, we wanted to inform you that the ISGS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains offline batch at Drishti Noida starts on 9th January for English medium and 16th January for Hindi medium. For more details, call us on 87501 87501. Enroll now. Let's look into the key details of the new division. The Jammu Railway Division will cover 742.1 km, including important routes such as Pathankot, Jammu, Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla, and Bhogpur, Sirwal, Pathankot. These routes were previously under the Firozpur division of Northern Railway. The Jammu Railway Division will be the first to have its headquarters in Jammu and Kashmir. The new division will be the sixth under Northern Railways, alongside other divisions like Ambala, Delhi, and Lucknow. Let's now discuss its expected benefits. The division will aid in the development of rail infrastructure in the region, improving transportation and accessibility. It is expected to create job opportunities and promote economic growth in Jammu and Kashmir. Enhanced connectivity will attract more tourists to the region, benefiting the local economy. The division will contribute to the overall socio-economic progress of Jammu and Kashmir by improving connectivity to other parts of India. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which division did the routes of the Jammu Railway Division belong to before its formation? Firozpur Division, Delhi Division, Lucknow Division, or Ambala Division? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.